So hello and welcome to today's class. In today's class we will be discussing the examples of chemical kinetics. So we are starting with example 4.2, right? As you can see the question, what is given in the question? The question says that N2O5 is undergoing decomposition. So the given part is N2O5 is undergoing decomposition, right? So the reaction given to you is twice N2O5 gas gives 4 NO2 gas plus O2 gas, right? Now what else is given? Initial concentration is given. Initial concentration of N2O5 is how much? 2.33 mole per liter. Okay. Final concentration is given. Final concentration is how much? 2.08 mole per liter, right? Then time of decomposition is given. Time of decomposition is how much? 184 minutes, right? These are the given things, and what you need to find, you have to find the average rate of reaction in terms of hours, minutes and seconds, right? So to find what you need to find? Average rate of reaction in terms of hours, minutes and seconds, right? This is one part. The other part which you need to find here is rate of production of NO2. Okay, NO2 is reduced at what rate, right? So these are the things which you need to find. Okay, now what formula you are going to use? So formula is average rate is equal to minus 1 by 2 change in concentration of N2O5 divided by time taken for change is equal to 1 by 4 change in concentration of NO2 divided by time taken for change is equal to del O2 by del T, right? So here what is the significance of minus sign? This minus sign says that as the reaction proceeds, the concentration of N2O5 decreases, right? So now we will see the solution part of this. So first we are seeing the solution of the first part, that is average rate of reaction, right? In that first we will see in terms of mole, liter invert, minute inverse. Okay, so average rate is equal to, what is the formula? Minus 1 by 2 concentration of del N2O5 by del T, right? Now this is delta N2O5, means change in concentration of N2O5 during the course of the reaction. So this becomes minus final concentration minus initial concentration. So, final is 2.08 minus initial is 2.33 and unit is mole liter inverse divided by time taken for change is 184 and unit is minute. So, if you simplify this, you will get minus half and minus 0.25 mole liter inverse divided by 184 minute, right. So, on simplification of this, you will get this minus minus cancelled. So, 6.79 into 10 power minus 4 and unit is mole liter inverse minute inverse, right. This is A part. Okay. Now, see the B part. We have to convert this in R. Okay. So, this becomes 6.79 into 10 power minus 4 divided by unit is mole liter inverse and here minute, right. So, this minute we will convert in R. So, we will divide this by 60. So, 6 point, I will write here. So, this is equal to, this is one part over, okay, do not get confused. So, this becomes equal to 6.79 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 1 by 60 R and this is mole liter inverse. So, this 60 will go up. So, you will get 6.79 into 10 power minus 4 into 60 and unit is mole liter inverse R inverse. So, your final answer will be 4.07 into 10 power minus 2 and unit is mole liter inverse R inverse. Okay. So, this is in terms of mole liter inverse R inverse, right. Third part we will see in terms of second, when time is in seconds. Okay. Average rate is equal to 6.79 into 10 power minus 4 and unit mole liter inverse divided by minute, right. So, this minute we will convert into second. So, what we will do? We will divide this by 60. So, this 6.79 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 60, right. So, our final answer will be 1.13 into 10 power minus 5 and unit mole liter inverse second inverse, right. This is first part over. Now, we will see the second part. So, in second part what we need to find? The rate of production of NO2. Rate of production of NO2. Okay. Now, see, initially we wrote the expression average rate is equal to minus half change in concentration of N2O5 divided by del T is equal to 1 by 4, right. So, 1 by 4 is the 4 which is coming as coefficient there, right. So, here my expression becomes rate is equal to 1 by 4 into del NO2 by del T, right. So, I will write that expression and that equation also here, so that it will be easier for you to make out that from where this 1 by 4 is coming. So, your equation is twice N2O5 gas gives 4 NO2 gas plus O2 gas. So, this 4 is coming as coefficient here, right. And see here I have not taken minus sign because this is product and the concentration of product is increasing during the course of the reaction. So, this already we have calculated how much this, sorry, we will take that in a minute unit. Okay. So, 6.79 into 10 power minus 4 mole liter inverse minute inverse, and this is equal to 1 by 4 change in concentration of NO2 by del T. So, we will cross multiply this. So, we get del NO2 by del T and square bracket. This square bracket denotes concentration, right. So, change in concentration of NO2. So, this becomes equal to 6.79 into 10 power minus 4 mole liter inverse minute inverse into 4, right. So, this becomes 2.72 into 10 power minus 3 mole liter inverse minute inverse. So, this is the final answer of second part. So, I hope you have understood the complete explanation of the question. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section and I will clarify your doubts. Thank you very much. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get the latest updates on upcoming videos.